Yeah, so all of our yachts include the essential onboard amenities. We have an area where it is shaded, so we have like indoor cabins. All of our yachts have a bathroom, we have a kitchen area. Every yacht is going to have a shaded seating space. Every yacht that we have is equipped with a Bluetooth sound system, so you can enjoy your own music throughout your charter. Just connect with your phone. And also, many of our larger yachts also include indoor lounge areas that are air conditioned. Um, of course, they're going to be bigger indoor lounge areas, but our smaller ones do have a small indoor lounge area as well, and they're all going to be air conditioned cabins.